didn't ask yet, did she?
What is that sound?
That is a dog. You're right.
Doggy. Push a button to see what it is.
Good job.
What kind of animal is that?
Dog.
It's a dog. That's right, a dog. Dogs go ruff, ruff. Can you make a sound like a dog?
Woof woof.
Yay!
Listen. What's that sound?
Duck.
Look. Push a button to see what baby sees.
This button.
Yay!
What's that called?
What is that, Em?
A
Train.
That's right, a train. Trains go choo choo. Can you make a sound like a train? Choo choo.